This weather you will see 4 days in a week or 5 days in a week. This is how the weather actually is in UK. And in some weeks or some of the months you'll see this weather 5 days or sometimes 6 days a week. The weather is a perfect nightmare here. Oh, thank you so much. Here, pedestrian post. It was Sainsbury's. What do we call that? Parking area. People give way to pedestrians. Firstly, that was kind gesture. And I'm going to gym, and from there I'll go to Aldi to get some bananas. Bananas! Do you see the cycle hubs? This is Royal Mail's. God, just lock the Royal Mail thing. The lock yet? It's already locked. And locked with a pole as well. What a weather. Nightmare. Hell. And the temperature is kind of 7 degrees. Oh, I'll see on my watch actually. I didn't unlock my phone yet. This is one way. Church is open. Costs probably. Come and see. While on my return. Once on return. These are the local shops. Airports left behind. There's London Road shops. Street. The street name is I love these shoes. What I'm wearing on. They're just too comfortable. And if you watch the other people's shoes in their shoe pairs and their leg and their feet, you're gonna get amazed. No shoes are less than £100. Each pair costs £100 more. And I'm going in. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.